This 2018 Heartland Big Country 4011 ERD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.